So it's Jeff, man. That kind of speed, man. Fucking nobody hit like that, bro. Nobody. Not Ali, nobody. Hell no, man. Straight that power though, man. Boxing punching, man. But right, see? Temple, right? Oh, that's it. That's heavy hitting right there, man. Some power shots. The greatest of all time, Charlie Zelenoff.